Hey everyone, this is Angga from Indonesia and welcome back to my video. Good morning from Indonesia, it's about 6 AM. Well, in this video, we're gonna to learn about the filter data in the new way in the Vue JS version 2. So basically in the version 1, it's more easier, but in the version 2, it's more secure. So I'm gonna show you how it works. First of all, we will use the unordered list and the list, alright? And in the custom JS we need the data. So here I will create a data about my favorite food. So here it's supposed to be my food, and the data is supposed to be an array. Alright, so here we have to put ID, which is 0, and the second property is supposed to be name. Okay, name is apple. I like apple very much. Okay, just duplicate the data until you get 5, and the last one doesn't need comma. Second is a broccoli, third is carrot, and the fourth is the lima, and the 5 is egg. Okay, and the ID is supposed to be different like this. Nice, right? Now we are going to show these data to the public with the Vue.js. Okay, so whenever you refresh, there's no data, so that's why we have to make it appear with the v dash for food in my food. Right, you can check this is the array that we got from the app that we paste into this ID, and here's supposed to be food name, and you got the apple, broccoli, carrot, lima, and egg. Okay, basically if you are using the Vue version 1, you're able to make the filter data just like this. Filter by, here supposed to be name. Okay, but in this Vue, in this new version, which is version number 2, you're not able, because Vue.js just remove the this way, because something's not really secure for this. So that's why we are going to use the computed. Okay, let me show you how it works. So basically we are using the comma here to separate the data, so we have to use the computed. Okay, and we have to make the function. So we want to order the food, right? So order food like this, and function, and like this, the brackets. Okay, and after that we return the data with the underscore and order by. Okay, basically it's still same, the pronouns, the keyword is still same, which is order by, right? And here, but we don't order the data in the HTML, instead of we order the data in the JavaScript. Okay, so here supposed to be use the this my food. This is the data from this my food, and then we are going to setting by name. Okay, and save and try. It's apple, broccoli, carrot, lima. What if I put the broccoli here, and this is I put egg, and this is I put carrot, and this is I put apple, and this is I put the lima. Okay, it doesn't matter. So basically the data currently is randomly, but we want to order by the name. Okay, so we wrote the source code like this, right, in JavaScript, but it doesn't affect anything because we haven't changed yet the here the fee for is supposed to be ordered food. We copy this function and go back to here and paste. Okay, so basically food in ordered food got data by my food. So from here we pasting here and we just need to call this function in index.html. So let's see, and it's working properly. The data start from the ascending, which is name. Okay, so if you are using this method, there's some special thing you have to understand. Basically, you are able to filter the data more than one keyword. So here you are using the bracket. I don't know how to say that. So just put here you want to filter the name, right? So name and comma, and here you able to use ascending or descending. So basically ascending we can start from the apple, but if you want to start by the latest one, which is E, you can use descending. Even in the ID, so you just to replace this ID and it will start from the number 4, which is apple, right? But if you are changing to the ascending, it's supposed to be start by the 0. Alright, so this is you are able to filter to order the data based on ascending or even descending with this. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching. I hope it was useful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share it with your friends. Nice to meet you from Indonesia. See you in the next video. Goodbye.